Why?
Look at you. You got such a perfect little face, and you got nice hair, you got a nice outfit, and you got a wonderful little smile.
You think so?
Yep. Your sunglasses paint.
Yeah, it's good to have because it keeps the hair out of my face. Unpack more balls. Do you want to do fashion or food?
Ooh, let's do some food.
Ooh, okay, we've got the retro foodies. How many do we have? 2, 4, 6, 7.
Ooh.
So I'm going to hand you all these balls. You can get cheese balls in this, honey.
Ooh.
What series is it?
Maybe original. This one.
Oh.
Because it's just as retro. It doesn't say series on it too.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Look at mine, honey. Oh, shivers. It's a Kodak film.
I got turtle wax.
Wow, that'll go so well in the garage.
Yeah, Bubby can wax her car.
Yeah, wax on,
Or
wax
maybe
off.
Ken can wax her car.
Yeah, Ken should do the job. Fucking lazy prick. Oh my god, I got another cassette.
So cool. I got Emerald.
Wow. My Barbie car's got to be detailed, and I just got another Barbie car as well.
Yeah.
So that's so convenient. Oh, I got another one of these. I got turtle wax.
$1 million red.
I got one of those last time, honey.
Yeah. You're getting some double ups there.
Yeah, a lot of these are the same so far as what we got in the first one. Oh my god. I don't know if I can open it.
Probably not. Choking hazard.
I don't think I can open it, but it's a little cake makeup.
Cute. And I got Dum Dum Pops.
What is a Dum Dum Pop?
A lollipop.
Oh my god, I got cheese balls. That's one of the ones that's on the package.
Yeah, iconic.
That's delicious.
And we got STP oil treatment, so Barbie's car's going to be running tip-top shape.
Yeah, cars, trucks, tractors, boats, mowers, motorcycles, farm and industrial equipment.
There you go.
Isn't that amazing? Wow! Now I just need you to 3D print me a shelf for my garage, eh?
Yeah, I'll do that.
So I can put everything on, because it's got to be one of the shelves that has the barriers around it, honey.
Yeah, can't have that falling off.
Yeah.
Ball number 2.
Moving on to ball number 2. Oh, fuck. It'd be so much more satisfying if you could actually rip it off in one foul swoop.
Yeah. Ooh. Just like that.
Oh, yeah. What did I get? I got, oh my god, what does that even say? Gold Baron, the, Haribo, the vintage gummy bears.
Ah, nice.
In the vintage packaging, honey. What did you get?
I got turtle wax again.
Oh, I got more Pringles. See, I got Pringles last time.
Nice. So cool. I got Mike and Ike fruit candies.
That's so funny. Oh, I got more turtle wax.
And I got sliced pineapple.
Oh, that's cool. That's serving can.
Yeah. That's going to go straight in the pantry.
Yeah, I love all the details.
We've got another can of some description in here.
Oh. I got more makeup.
Nice. And I got oil treatment again in a can this
And
time
a
around.
can. Last one. Oh my gosh. I got a Radio 8 battery.
Wow.
Touch the top.
Got little things in them too.
Yeah.
You're not going to believe what I got. I got Chanel.
Oh my god, Charlie, isn't that Elizabeth Arden or
Oh, Charlie.
Revlon?
I just can't read them.
Honey, ours are too far apart. So this is the Charlie fragrance, And that's Revlon. That's an old school Revlon one.
Cool.
So that'll look very good on my dresser, honey.
Nice.
I'm so excited. Because I only have one other perfume. That is so cool, honey. Let's move on to more balls. Do you think we're going to get a very rare one?
I was hoping that the fragrance was going to be a really rare one. But...
Yeah.
Ooh.
Got stuff falling out. Oh, this is so friggin' cute. It's a holographic type little notebook, like what you use for school.
Wow, you would have loved that as a kid.
Yeah, look, it's got lines, it's got a schedule.
That's cool.
That attention to detail, like even look at the table on the back, honey.
Yeah.
It's crazy. That's a cute one.
I got Mike and Ike again.
Oh. Oh my god, I have a VCR.
Wow.
Which now you definitely have to make me the old projection TV.
Yeah.
Look at this. Barbie can record movies off the TV.
She can make bootleg Disney.
Yeah. How cool is that?
And I got soup.
Oh, nice. Who doesn't love to have Super Run? Isn't that cute? I think I've got this. I've got more makeup.
And I got more pineapples.
Oh, I got more Mentos.
And I got more oil.
Wow. You're going to be so stocked up, honey. You're not going to have to buy that for a long time.
Oh, I know what this one is.
Oh.
Barbie's going to love it. More Charlie. Is it Charlie?
More perfume, yeah. And I got more gummy bears. One ball, honey. Do you want to open it up?
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. So I will take these.
I'll take these ones.
This is a big fat one.
I can do two at once.
Oh my god. Oh, I got more cocktail peanuts. I thought they were pickles for a moment there. Unfortunately not. What in the... I thought it was a joint. I'm going to have to see what this is. But Revlon's makeup, honey.
Yeah.
So why would it be a salt and pepper?
I don't know, just what it looks like. And I got more film.
Ooh.
And I got a floppy disk.
Oh my god. That is going to go so well in my office, honey.
Yeah.
I was a big lover of the floppy disk.
Diskettes, as they call it.
Yeah, I used to save files. I still have floppy disks now of files. How am I going to get those files? They'll have to go into a museum one day. Get my files off. Because it's all my stories from when I was a kid.
Oh wow, yeah, we definitely need to get those back then.
And when I say when I was a kid, when I was like 13. Revlon item identified. Thank you, Reddit. Lipstick. Does that look like a lipstick to you, honey?
No.
Someone goes, lipstick makes sense. It doesn't make sense. That is a lie. Our last packet from our final bowl. Ah! It's for turtle wax.
I've been turtle waxed again.
Barbie is going to have to go into business selling turtle wax now.
Or detailing cars.
Or detailing cars.
Ken detailing cars.
Ken can detail. His job can be car.
Yeah, car Ken.
Car Ken, yeah. Oh my god. So let's open all these fashion ones.